Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Want to Stay. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix if it is showing we limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram app. Now open your mobile phone and open your Instagram app. Now if you open your Instagram app and it is showing you that we limit how often you can do certain things error on Instagram, then all you have to do is take screenshot of it and go to your profile. Now after taking the screenshot and go to your profile, click on these three bars that is on top right corner and click on settings and privacy. Now after clicking on settings and privacy, it will send you to this page. Wait for a while, it is loading for me, then scroll down to the very end and click on help. After clicking on help, click on report or problem and click on report or problem without shaking, or report problem and click on include and continue. Now the screenshot you have taken, click on upload and click on the screenshot you have taken and explain the problem what you are facing with and click on send. And after sending the problem, the Instagram support will contact you after some days or after some time. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.